Good morning students. We discuss question number 5. In the figure, ray A is parallel to BD. Ray AE. This is ray AE which is parallel to BD. Parallel to BD. Ray AF is the bisector of angle EAB. AF means this ray. This is bisector. Bisector which angle? EAB. So we can, for our better understanding, we here write some symbols. Okay. Now ray BC. This is ray BC. BC is the bisector of angle ABD. ABD. BC is bisector. So BC is bisector of ABD. We have to prove that line AF is parallel to line BC. Parallel to line BC. For this first, this is prove that. So we can write first prove. Given is that ray AE is parallel to ray BD. This is given. Ray AE is parallel to BD. Ray AF is the bisector of EAB. Ray BC is the bisector of ABD. This can be write in the given angle ABD. Okay. Now we have to prove that. We have to prove that line AF is parallel to line BC. We have to show that here AF means this ray is parallel to this ray, that is BC. Here we have to show that. Now for this proof, from figure we have to given that AE is parallel to BD. So we write here AE is parallel to BD. So we write first ray AE is parallel to ray BD. It is given. AB act as a transversal. This line act as a transversal. If we extend this line, this is EA ray, this is BD ray. These are two lines parallel. AB act as a transversal. AB act as a transversal. Now here angle EAB, this whole complete angle is congruent to ABD. By which test? It is alternate angle test. In two parallel lines, one is transversal, then the alternate angles are congruent. So we write here angle EAB is congruent to angle ABD. We write here ABD because of alternate angles. These are alternate angles. Now here AF is bisector of angle EAB. So we can write here also 1/2, multiplying both sides by half. We can write here 1/2 angle EAB is equal to 1/2 angle ABD. Now 1/2 angle EAB, 1/2 angle EAB is equal to FAB because these two angles are congruent. EAF, FAB is equal to EAF. It is a half. This angle is half of this. Because we have already given it is AF is a bisector. So we can write also first equation number here first. Now angle FAB. Angle FAB is equal to 1/2 angle EAB. EAB. AB. Or we can also write instead of 2 time angle FAB. 2 time angle FAB is equal to angle EAB. It means that this 2 time angle is equal to complete angle EAB. And also we can write as angle, this is ABC. ABC is equal to 1/2 angle ABD. Half of angle ABD, or we can write as 2 time ABD, 2 time ABC. ABC is equal to angle ABD because it is given. It is given. We can write here ray AF is bisector of EAB and ray BC is bisector of ABD. So this angle is half of complete angle and this angle is half of complete angle. So we write here equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we can write as 1/2 EAB or EAB. Here EAB and ABD. Okay. EAB can be write as 2 time. This EAB is write as 2 time angle FAB. FAB. EAB is write as 2 time angle FAB. And ABD. Here ABD is write as 2 time angle ABC. Here 2 get cancel. We write here angle FAB is equal to angle ABC. Now see here angle FAB. FAB means this angle. Okay. And ABC means this angle. These two angles are alternate angle. These two are alternate angles, and so by alternate angle test, ray AF is parallel to ray BC. We can write here FAB and ABC are alternate angle. Angle FAB and angle ABC are alternate angle. Alternate angle, and by alternate angle test, by alternate angle test, we can write as ray or line AF is parallel to line BC. Line AF is parallel to line BC. Hence proof.